The atmosphere across Nigeria has changed again as the legal drama surrounding Nnamdi Kanu takes another serious turn. The recent ruling connected to the Supreme Court has triggered strong reactions from different parts of the country, and people are talking everywhere, online, offline, in markets, in offices, and even inside political circles. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe right now because we will continue to bring you clear and balanced updates like these. What happened is simple but very powerful. The highest court made a decision that allows the legal process concerning Nnamdi Kanu to continue. This means the case is not ending anytime soon. It also means that earlier arguments raised by his legal team did not stop the prosecution from moving forward. The single decision has opened a new chapter in this long-running legal story. For many Nigerians, this is not just about one man. It is about law, rights, national unity, and how the justice system works in sensitive cases. Some people believe the ruling shows that the courts are standing firm and allowing due legal process to take its course. Others feel disappointed and believe certain legal questions were not fully addressed. That is why the reactions have been wide and emotional. Supporters of Nnamdi Kanu say the ruling raises concerns about fairness and constitutional interpretation. They argue that earlier decisions in lower courts created expectations that the matter would take a different direction. On the other hand, those who support the continuation of the trial say the Supreme Court's position confirms that legal procedures must be respected step by step, no matter how controversial the case may be. Please like this video and subscribe because we are breaking this down in a way everyone can understand. The truth is, the case has become larger than politics. It has become a symbol. For some, it represents justice and accountability. For others, it represents deep frustration and unresolved political questions in the country. Across social media, the debate is intense but mixed. Some Nigerians are calling for calm and patience, saying that the legal system must be allowed to work without pressure. Others are calling for dialogue and political solutions beyond the courtroom. What is very clear is that this ruling has not reduced the conversation, it has increased it. Now let us look at the bigger picture. Whenever the Supreme Court speaks, especially on sensitive matters, it sends a message. That message can be about procedure, authority, or interpretation of the law. In this situation, the message many legal analysts see is that the case must continue through established legal channels. It does not automatically decide guilt or innocence at this stage. It simply keeps the judicial process active. That distinction is important. Many people hear a Supreme Court ruling and think it is the final judgment on everything. But in many cases, the court may only be deciding whether a trial should proceed or whether a legal technical argument is valid. That is what makes this moment so significant. It is a turning point, not necessarily the final destination. Again, if you appreciate clear explanations like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue bringing you balanced updates. Politically, this development could influence conversations in different regions. Leaders and commentators are already discussing what this means for national stability and unity. Some are urging restraint in public reactions. Others are encouraging deeper conversations about long-standing issues that have created tension over the years. Emotionally, the situation is sensitive. Whenever a case involves strong public opinion, reactions will naturally follow. That is why responsible communication is important at a time like this. Then many observers are encouraging Nigerians to focus on peaceful expression of opinion and respect for institutions while also demanding fairness. Another important point is how this case reflects the strength of institutions. In democratic systems, courts are expected to interpret the law independently. When decisions are controversial, it often shows that the issue itself is complex. Complex issues usually do not produce simple reactions. As we continue to watch events unfold, the key question many Nigerians are asking is this: what happens next? The next phase will likely involve continued legal arguments, procedural steps, and possibly further appeals depending on how the case develops. Legal battles of this scale rarely end quickly. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe, because we will continue to follow every development closely. Your support helps this channel grow. In simple terms, what we are seeing is a legal storm that has once again placed the spotlight on Nigeria's judiciary and national conversation. The ruling has not closed the matter. Instead, it has intensified public interest and debate. Supporters remain hopeful. Critics remain concerned. Neutral observers are watching carefully. What is certain is that this story is still unfolding. The reactions show how deeply people care about justice, rights, and the direction of the country. As citizens, it is important to stay informed, remain calm, and allow lawful processes to continue while engaging in a respectful dialogue